How y'all doing today? So today we're going for a speed pick record on this Master Lock 410 Lotto lock. It's in a different body, so when I finish, I will have to gut it to show that the core has everything in it that it's supposed to have for a Lotto lock. So let's get set up and see what we can do with it. Alright, here we go. There it is. Boom. Alright, so let's go ahead and lock it back up. As you can see, the core's turned, so let's lock it up and let's gut her up. Well, we can't lock it up. I'm a dumbass. Don't mind me, y'all. My brain ain't working. It's been a while since I gutted one of these. So let's move this out the way. Move this over. So all of this stays in frame. Alright. Come on, stupid. It's a long ass screw in here. There we go. Alright, now we can lock it up. Let's get the core pulled. Alright, here we go. Alright, set that right there. Let's get the key out. Alright, set that there. So there's the core. Let's set that down for a second and grab us a shim. We got us a shim. There's my screwdriver so we can pop the C-clip off. The only thing I hate about these cores is they're so tiny, it's hard to get a little grip on them. Alright, so now we got it right there where we want it. Alright, C-clip is off. That in, let's turn that, let's get it shim. The worst part about this for me is the shimming, because I suck at it. Like, this is my Achilles heel here. Hopefully I'm staying in the frame. I suck at shimming. But we might go for it without the shimming, but if we do and it goes wrong, I'm done for. God, I need a new shim. Let's try it the old way that I used to do it, and let's just shim from this way. I'm trying to rock it into place here. That's kind of working. Come on, stupid. Told y'all I suck at this. You know what? I'm about to say fuck it and go for it without the shim. Shimming is my Achilles. Absolutely suck. You know what? Close enough. There we go. Alright. Let's grab the right follower. And here we go. Alright. That out. Now let's try. Alright. Yeah, so let's get these pins out of here. Let's zoom this in now. Alright, we're kind of where we want to be. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6. Alright, so that's those. Where did we put the tweezers? So we can do this. Let's get the shim out. Alright. So let's get one out of there. Going the right way? Yeah. So pin 1. Trying to do this so y'all can see it as it comes out. Alright, so that's 1. I don't remember if these aren't directional, they're just spools. So, 3. Let's go back this way and grab 6 out. Six. Five. No, stupid. 5. And 4. And just on the side of caution, we'll go ahead and dump the springs. I think that's all of them. No. Some of these springs are stuck. I don't even know if I have to take the springs, but we'll take them anyway. Let's grab the deep hook so we can grab them out of there. If they can come out without going flying. Ah, you little fucker. Da 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 da. Alright, so springs. Alright, set that down. Let's put springs right along. I can't stand springs. Springs can kiss my ass. Alright. Let's put the key pins their direction. Alright, there we go. So, the Loto Lock 410. Got the serrated on 6, and then spools on 1 through 5. There you go. That's all I got. Y'all have a good one.